Introducing ZONITH's Advanced Staff Safety Solution. A discrete panic button combined with a built-in indoor location function provides locational panic alarms in clear text. The system is wireless, so the alarm is always close at hand for safety and security at your fingertips. Colleagues or security staff are automatically notified as to where you are in distress the second you push the button. Working outside, the ID badge connects with your smartphone for GPS location alarms, safeguarding you both inside and outside at all times.